Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to create a graffiti ad effect on Higgsfield AI. So you'll be creating something like this. If you want something like this for your product, all you have to do is to follow what I'm going to say in the next few seconds. So the first thing you have to do is to go to this website called Higgsfield.ai. In case you've not heard what Higgsfield AI can do, this is the video for you. Now Higgsfield AI is the best AI platform to create the wildest and best AI effects, ranging from VFX effects to image effects to even ad effects. Now, just to create your various ad effects, just click on the app section here. Once you're done, scroll and choose the graffiti ad. So once you click on it, you'll be brought to a page here where you can see a man designing a graffiti of a particular product. Now all you have to do is to upload your product in this area. Once you upload it, you can click on image, but that is not what we want. We want video, so we click on the video section. It says it will cost us about 16 credits, and once you sign up, you have more than 16 credits, which means that you can actually run or create more ads two effects with with a free account, and you can create multiple accounts. But if you want to enjoy Higgsfield in the long run, I advise you actually go and create, or you sign up for their premium plans. So once you've uploaded your image, click on generate. Then in the next few minutes, your video will be generated, and you would have a full graffiti ad of your product. Now if you look here, you see the original product here. Now you can see the product that was uploaded, and then we can see the ad, that the video effect that was created. This is just mind-blowing. This is taking ad effects and advertising to the next level, and this is very good if you run a TikTok shop account, or you want to run ads for your dropshipping business, or any other thing you want to use it for. And this is really great. Let me know what you guys think about this video in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Do have a great day, and please subscribe to our channel as we're actually trying to reach 5,000 subscribers. Thank you very much, and do have a great day, guys.